Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. And I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Wednesday, March the 27th, 2019. Well, let's go ahead, jump in and see what happened with these markets today. And starting with the Qs, you can see we have this big fat red candle here. We actually gapped up and then we pulled back real strong, and then we recovered about half of it. So we closed about halfway through the candle there. You can see here we had 1.25 relative volume. You can see the graph right here. So it's pretty much an indecision candle. The good news is it bounced off to 20 here and it came back up. So it looks to me like the markets are looking for some type of direction. No clear-cut sign yet. We could just be consolidating here, ready for another stab to go up. But let's see what tomorrow brings. That's always the best thing to do here. And now we're going to go ahead and look at the spiders and see how they look. And you can see here we closed right on the 20. We had pretty much the same scenario with the gap up, the pullback, and a recovery about halfway through. You can see, we closed right about halfway through that candle. You can see here 1.14 is the relative volume. You can see the candles right there in just above average, amount. We've kind of been in this range right here as of late. So, let's keep an eye on that for tomorrow and go from there. Now jumping over to the diamonds. And the diamonds have another one of those indecision candles here, where we gapped up, we pulled back, and came back a little better than halfway on that one. And you can see here we bounced off the 50-day moving average here, and on the top side we bounced off to 20. So we're kind of in between those two moving averages, which kind of is kind of right in between that range that we're running in here. So this market's looking for a catalyst to go one way or the other. So we'll see what kind of catalyst we end up getting. Now moving on to Holly for today, we had Holly Grail with 3 trades, profit of 61 cents, risk on profit of 31 cents, and her best trade was SNBR, and she made 44 cents on that. Got out for a timed exit, and you can see where she got in, she got out. Now, unfortunately, this pulled back after she got out, or I guess fortunately that she got out before it pulled back. But had you held till the end of the day on the risk-on mode, you would have lost 2 cents. And the best trade was GCO on the risk-on. She got out for a profit save of 14 cents. And then had you held till the end of the day, you would have made 23 cents on it. Moving on to Holly 2.0, we had 4 trades for a profit of 48 cents, risk on profit 60 cents, and her best trade was HIBB, which was, actually that's the best risk on one, so we'll do it first since we're there. She got out for reduced risk, lost 5 cents on it, but had you held it till the end of the day, you would have made 47 cents. And her best trade in the risk off category was WWW, which was a timed exit. Once again, 44 cents was the profit on that. And after she got out, it did pull back only 13 cents had you held till the end of the day. And now moving on to Holly Neo, 11 trades, and she was on fire with a profit of $2.37. The risk on, not as good, 89 cents. So if we take a look at her best trade there, it was a short NVTA and got out for a timed exit 86 cents profit. And had you stayed until the end of the day, only 30 cents. And if you went for the risk on winner, it was SYNA. She got out for a timed exit, 28 cents. And you can see what a nice trade this was just all day long. Had you stayed in till the end of the day, $1.35. So that might be one to put on your watch list to watch for tomorrow and see how that does. But now let's go ahead and bring in our Excel spreadsheet, see how we're totaled out for the day and for the week. So for today, we had 18 total trades for a profit of $3.46. Risk on $1.80. So it was a risk off kind of day. And with the auto trading with Holly, you can actually pick if you do the auto trading, you can get out on the risk off.
Please remain
get out on the
line.
risk on, or you can get out on what they call the best of. In other words, whichever mode is winning is how she will get you out of the trade. For the week, we're looking at 63 trades for the week. 58 cents profit, risk on profit of 65 cents. So let's go ahead and real fast look here with Holly. If you have the Brokerage Plus and you open up this tab, you just create this Holly tab right here. You just go up to New, you come down to Holly AI tab, and this comes up. And then you can go through and you can pick your strategies. You can go through here and you can edit them so that they're
Please remain
keyed
on
for
the
you.
line.
And there's just a lot of options in there. So a lot of people are trying out this auto trading. I have not done that yet, but it is an option a lot of people are interested in. And you can use the interactive brokers to auto trade your own strategies as well. So keep that in mind. It's something that's of interest to a lot of people. Thank you, and God bless.
The webinar will be